how to set up Alexa app on your phone. Setting up an Alexa application on your phone is a fairly simple process. What you have to do is, first of all, make sure to launch the Amazon Alexa app and make sure that you're signed into your Amazon account, by the way. So this is to know that maybe you have an Alexa device that maybe you might want to set up and connect to your Alexa app on your phone. Now what you want to do is, after you log in, just tap on this devices or this bulb icon from the bottom, and here you can see the plus icon from the top right hand side. Just tap on that icon, then tap on the add device option. From add device, here we want to select Amazon Echo, because in my case an Echo device is what I'm trying to connect, so of course I will select that. Depending upon the type of device that you're trying to set up and select that category here. There will be different type of instructions and setup guide for that. So in my case on Amazon Alexa Echo, I have to wait until I see the orange light. By the way, normally this will happen if it is turned on automatically, or if you don't see the orange light, you can tap on the no option, and depending upon your device you have to hold a few buttons, which you'll find the instructions over here to get this into pairing mode. Then tap on continue, then tap on the continue button. If it is displaying an orange light, it will search for that device, and as long as it is displaying, it will also show up here, and now you can connect it. And that way you can set up Alexa app on your phone. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.